Since 2001, Redsis has been dedicated to the design, supply, installations, and support of information technology solutions. Redsis has a large number of safety-type customers in different companies, from the main industrial and service sectors worldwide. Our experience and capacity to integrate technological solutions has allowed us to face the most demanding business challenges, automating and optimizing business processes, managing data security, designing, installing, and supporting modern computing architectures in on-premise, hybrid, and cloud models, in addition to technological solutions that ensure business continuity. IT infrastructure, computing capacity, data storage, network and communications, connectivity data center in IoT, energy for the data center in industry and construction. We offer retail services and omnichannel to improve our customer service, software and hardware for physical stores, mobile solutions, self-service, and shop floor. We support our clients' digital transformation initiatives through artificial intelligence, application modernization, and advanced data and asset management. BPM solutions, application management, automation, managed file transfer, artificial intelligence. Keeping information systems healthy, optimized, and supported is part of our special service portfolio. Contracts of outsourced administration, support and help agreements, bank of hours and specialized engineering, monitoring and reporting of IT environments. Our services and solution portfolio offers the options to face constant technological change and respond to the speed of modern business. At Redsis, our professional team adapts and transforms according to the needs of their environment and responds effectively to the technological requirements of our clients. Redsis, more than a technology supplier, you're a strategic partner.